Considering selling your condo this year? In this video, I transform a 2-bedroom and den condo with simple yet impactful upgrades. Stay tuned for the full before and after tour and tips to help you maximize your sale. When it comes to selling a condo, first impressions are everything. This charming unit needed a little refresh to truly shine, so we focused on affordable, high-impact updates like painting, upgrading the lighting, and staging the space to appeal to today's buyer. Let me show you how we brought it all together. So the first thing we did was paint all of the walls a nice neutral color, including the ceiling a nice bright white. Also, this particular unit had an outdoor space, and as you can see, the flooring was soiled, and so we had it professionally power washed. It came out really nice when it was done. We also staged outside. This particular unit has bamboo flooring, so you can imagine with freshly painted walls and everything like that, it really made a difference in how it ultimately looked. As you can see, this is the primary bedroom, and the floors were really soiled again. But we had someone come in and do a deep cleaning. We were prepared to replace the carpeting if we had to, but we did not have to because it came out so nice after it was done. Also, one thing I would remind you to consider is if you see yellow colored carbon monoxide and smoke detectors, change them out because that means they're old. Make them white again. So we replaced all the carbon monoxide and smoke detectors. This is the second bedroom, and the carpeting wasn't so bad in here, but we still had it deep cleaned. The bathrooms didn't need too much. We just staged it lightly. And as you can see, Home Depot lighting was used. That is old, which we updated. It also had IKEA lighting, which we replaced. You don't want to sell a $700,000 condo with IKEA lighting or flush mount lighting in your kitchen with fluorescent light bulbs. Horrible. Again, Home Depot lighting. We changed all the lighting throughout. And what a difference it made. Here's those lovely IKEA lighting again, which we changed. And as you can see, the kitchen, granite countertops, we just cleaned out the sink, got it all nice and shiny. It was fine. We put a lot of TLC, and it made a wonderful impact on the final outcome. And this is what it looked like after. So what do you think of the condo transformation? Let me know in the comments below if you're thinking about selling your home or want more tips to boost your property's value. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.